Noticed how sometimes iPhone offers only slide to answer option with no button to reject them? This is one of the worst parts of iOS, and even longtime iPhone users don't know why it's like that. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. The accept and decline options appear only if the iPhone is unlocked, but when it's locked, you can only slide to answer. The reason was to prevent accidental picking up or declining calls. When your iPhone's locked, it's obvious that you're not actively looking at the display. It could be in your pocket, your bag, or on a table. Now, if the accept and decline options appear on the lock screen, you could easily tap one of them while taking your phone out of the pocket or picking it up. To avoid this, Apple replaced those options on the lock screen with the slide to answer option. With this, you cannot accidentally pick up or reject the call, but it doesn't mean you can't decline calls from the lock screen. When Apple removed the decline option from the iPhone lock screen, it moved it to the side button instead. You can now reject calls by simply pressing the power button twice, whereas pressing it once will silence it. It's much more convenient as you can quickly decline a call without even looking at the screen, especially when you don't want to pick up the phone entirely. It's one of those Apple's decisions that felt confusing at first, but once you get to know the logic, things start to make sense. And it's not like this has always been the case. Until iOS 5, incoming calls look the same, irrespective of whether the iPhone was locked or not. But with iOS 6, Apple added the slide to answer. Even some Android devices followed a similar approach later to prevent users from accidentally picking up or declining calls. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.